Alright, where are we, Corey?
We are at the Universal City Walk in Universal City, California.
Alright. Is anyone going to go on the wind tunnel?
Depends on how much it costs.
I guess so.
I really think Andrew should be going.
No. This simulates free falling. Hey, look, someone's going to go in. I was like a jet turbine starting up now. This is pretty awesome. Corey's trying to convince me to go in there. Don't know if I'm going to do it, but it looks pretty wild. Okay, I'm going in that thing in a minute. So this might be the last time I speak to camera. I might have a heart attack while I'm in there. Last look around. Wish me luck, viewers.
About down, all tight all the man them, all tight the NSG massive.
Yeah, I'm a bad ba 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 ba. Yeah, I'm a bad ba 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 ba. Okay, rude boy, step out of my face. Shut your mouth, you're about to get blazed. Then I smack you up, hit you with a mace. See the blood drips right down up your face. Chat shit to me, I'm gonna beat up your mom. Cause everybody know I got a loaded gun. I'm gonna tie up your sister just for fun. Gonna come up your house, gonna burn it down. A 9 milli, that goes blah blah blah. I got a Mac 10, that goes blah blah blah. I got an AK, that goes blah blah blah. I got a rocket launcher. Yeah, I'm a bad ba 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 ba. Yeah, I'm a bad ba 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 ba. Yeah. Bada microphone. Bada you get burned. Bada fuck your mom. Yep. Bada and again. Microphone. Yep. Bada you get burned. Yep. Bada fuck your mom. Yep. Bada 9 milli that goes blah blah blah. I got a Mac 10 that goes blah